This is day 2. We at Sonoma Raceway. I took my brother here. He never been to the racetrack. Me and my brother's car enthusiast. My brother loves cars because of me. He got a Nismo 370Z built, shoot flames and everything. But yeah, so we here. We're going to enjoy the day. We're going to watch the cars. And I'm ready. I'm ready for next month. I'm going to start doing my racing with my GR Corolla. And we're going to build it up. We got a crazy aero kit.
Attention in the paddock if you are done for the day or the weekend.
Them Porsches be loud. Watch, you going to see if that white one here. It's fucking loud as shit. Look at that Miata. I'm telling you to get a Miata, bro. You go crazy with yours if you have one. And they dumbass cheap. Oh, there goes the yellow Super. I mean, the 400 that was here yesterday. These are clean. Just imagine, bro. You can get one, bro, for dumb cheap. They be moving, bro. That's clean. That's my style right here. With the deleted bumper, they get a rear diffuser. And all their shit look the same. They probably together.
Probably friends.
Oh, you're gonna see a lot of these. Fire. Damn, that's sick. These they was running yesterday. Oh my god, their shit's so loud. Bro, they came together, bro. There was more Miatas today than it was yesterday. Look at this, like look at the build though. We're gonna get over there, bro. We're gonna hit up everything. Yeah, it's less cars because yesterday was just so packed, like it was extremely packed. This is day 2, you guys. I've been thinking about buying one of those next too, but those are sick. Let's see. I need to get me a Toyota jacket. That shit's so hard. Bro, the Porsches, the Porsches and the Supras yesterday were giving hell on the track. But it's like way less cars. Yesterday this whole shit was packed. All the way over there. Those are the Corvettes you told me that I should get.
C7, yeah.
Oh damn, look at this. I don't know either. Let's see. There was hella Miatas today. Yeah, GR Corollas be over here driving too. Them is more C8s. Today is more Miatas than anything. It wasn't this many Miatas.
I think today like a Miata day or something.
No.
The guy said all Miatas.
They probably got their own. Or maybe maybe so. There's more shit. We can go over there and we can walk over. No, let's walk this way and then we come back. And then because through here we got to go up the stairs anyways.
Okay.
I just want to get all the cars on the video. That shit's fire. I was kind of thinking about getting a Porsche too. A Porsche, or maybe. That shit's so hard. That white one, I think it's that white one that was on my video. Yeah, 48. That's the loudest Porsche I ever heard in my life. Oh, not in a Porsche, loudest car.
Oh my god.
This is the one Bruce was talking about getting.
Oh, GT2.
Yeah, he said if he traded
I would trade the Shelby in a heartbeat.
Yeah, that's tough. Yeah, that's tough, bro. Sheesh. This one right here, though, loud, bro. This is the loudest one I ever heard, bro. Like, not even like the car, John. This is the loudest car in the race yesterday. Extremely loud, bro. I was seeing it all the way up.
Bro, that shit is so.
Oh, MR2. I didn't even see that. Or the Camaro. C1, that's tough. That bitch nasty.
I love that car.
It looks so good.
Oh my god.
I might have to buy one just to fuck of it. Like yesterday, this shit was all, bro. The whole thing was packed. I love that, and that's my build. I wouldn't have to do no air kit. I know, I want that. I think they went down in value too. The Z01s went down in price.
I hope so.
Yeah, it was, bro. This shit was way more packed yesterday. bro. The Supers were giving hell, and we was parked up there, and the hill up there with that gate, everything was filled. Oh, he was there yesterday. He was loud as shit. Shit's loud. Remember you said what car is that? I said BMW. That was him.
E46.
His shit is loud as fuck.
I want to say M3 E46.
We probably could damn near oh damn S2000. Oh shit! Look at that white S2000. That's just tough. That's fire. Yeah, that's fire. Sheesh. That one is sick. That white one tough, bro. Oh, they built the same damn near. Oh, what's up, bro? I ain't seen you. Hello, how you been? Where you been? So my little brother is about to ride with my homie, and then I'm gonna ride with him next. Let me know how it go. I'm gonna go watch y'all. So he said he's gonna give my brother 3 laps, and he's gonna give me probably like 2 or 3 laps in the car. But so I'm gonna just record them, and then. Hey Zon, I might have to get a Corvette now. So hang on with them. I said I might have to get a vet now. See Type R, the rivals. So I'm about to go record. My brother's driving the car. I'm not driving, but riding along. Nice ass M2 over there. So about to go up these stairs. Nice Z06 right here. So nice. So let's go see my little brother riding.
5 minutes. Roll through. You are up next.
Let's see if we can see my little brother.
Before you leave the property, if you also got a helmet from Speed SF, please return that as well. Again, all transponders and borrowed helmets need to be returned to Speed SF. Thank you.
My brother, they're the last ones right there. go walk back.
Ready? Okay. You're getting good. The wing got me planted. Watch.
Bro, my heart is in my ass. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy shit. Holy fuck, it's so crazy. Crazy experience. Holy fuck. Holy shit.
Alright, here's a big one. There you go.
Oh shit! My ass! Oh shit! It's the main two big ass turns.
Yeah, those little big ones, huh?
Up, and then that other one.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh. Bro, what the? Bro, this shit for like 2,000 horsepower.
It's only 450.
It's different when you drive, because my Mustang, I had a 5.0, it was like damn near similar, a little bit slower.
Okay.
A little bit, because I had like 420 horsepower.
Uh-huh.
It's different driving than being a passenger.
True.
Bro, being a passenger, bro, it's like double the speed.
Right,
like
because you're not in control.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
So my mind is like, I'm not controlling, you're not controlling.
Right.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Just going around, I'm getting air to cool down the oil.
Oh yeah, to cool down.
Yeah, just like cool down, you know.
Yeah, I'm gonna start going with y'all. Whenever y'all go to track, please,
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna start going with y'all.
Sure.
This is fire.
Oh yeah.
Dude, this is fire. Bro, this shit, oh my god. Bro, that arrow kit, really, bro, that wing.
Oh yeah.
Bro, it's crazy. It's not like the car, like in my brain, I'm like, we about to tilt over.
We ain't flipping.
Fucking stay planted.
Yep.
Bro, it's a different experience being a passenger, bro. It's just different, night and day, different. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. I appreciate you for even letting me, bro.
Yeah, no problem. I was about to go home, but I'm like, I don't see Mo a lot, so I gotta show him.
No, I appreciate you, bro. That was a fucking, oh my god. I was speaking tongues and shit. I was speaking a whole different language. Oh yeah. Hey.
How was he?
It
Bro,
was alright.
bro, my heart went through my ass crack. Nigga, it was some two big ass that turned.
Yeah, you feel the G-force.
Bro, I'm like,
that
oh,
little
shit.
first screw going down.
Bro.
Dude. It's like,
Bro, I was speaking.
yeah, you feel that shit.
Bro, I was speaking a whole different language. Bro, the video about to be funny. I recorded the whole time. Oh, bro.
Would you ever do it again, though?
What I was telling him is, because my Mustang was like 420, that wasn't that much horsepower, but this more. But being a passenger, it's like double the speed. Like, this shit feel like 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah, being a passenger, I feel like, holy
It's
shit.
different.
Yeah.
Bro, you a fucking bro.
Oh yeah, bro.
I appreciate you for letting me and my brother enjoy this, bro.
No problem, brother.
This is a different experience, bro.
Hell yeah.